A client came straight from my vendor. I wanted to show you guys to send that package, and I'm going to be packaging it for her. And I also am going to be showing you guys my order that I got from Mica. All right. So what comes in here? She's going to get a HD wig cap, a little edge brush. She got 228 and a 26. This is the 28-inch. Real long. I recommend getting 3 to 4 ones, depending on how you want it to look. This is the bundle. This is it. No shading. This is the 20. What is the 28? Yes, you want the whole thing. I can't wait to get my bags, girl. And this is the 26. 26. This is bone straight hair. Here. The 26. Long. This is super long. And it's very, very soft. Also, you know, I'm always pretty much all drinking your water. It also comes with this little Saratoga sparkling water right here. Yes, stay hydrated, ladies. Stay hydrated. All right, now on to my. Oh, one more thing I forgot, and it also comes with these lashes. I'm wearing those right now. It's the girly curl. Very cute from the hair supply store. All right, now you put it there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead on that bag and now water. Top off with this little paper. Okay. Now I'm going to be showing you guys my 2 outfits that I got. This is my first time ordering. Oh, let me look at this. These super cute. All right. Now everything's in the bag. Thank you, Sharon, for that. All right. And I'm back. Sorry about that. And I also have this little shirt that I ordered to go with the little skirt. I have some more stuff coming in that I'm going to be showing you guys. I like the way the shoulders come up. And give it that extra little, you know, pizzazz. The back. Okay, that's it for this little segment, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye. The outfits that I ordered my first time, but I can. So, let's see, I got a little dress. It's thick, but then it makes sense. The quality is good. I love the color. And the fringe. This is the front. This is the back. And I got it on sale. I think it might have been on sale for like $35. Then I also ordered. I forgot my shirt. This skirt. You have to pause so I go get my shirt. I gotta go get my shirt. One moment. This is skirt. So cute. You have to just stop it and I just